Was Ace Magashule ahead of us by refusing to join the Umkhonto Sizwe Party? Of course, I'm one of the people who had been refusing to join the Umkhonto Sizwe Party, but something tells me that Ace Magashule refused to join the Umkhonto Sizwe Party because he knew something about Jacob Zuma, and that is something that Floyd Shivambu has found out now. Somehow Ace Magashule knew that he would be treated like dirt in that family fiefdom called Umkhonto Sizwe Party, guys. Welcome to the platform, guys. My name is Debos Kosana. The name of the platform, it is now known as Izwi Labansundu, Voice for Africans. I've rebranded the platform, guys. Please help me to grow the platform, guys. You can help me to grow the platform by subscribing and then click